are here in the beautiful English countryside. Now, as we're walking along, you're probably wondering, why is thine hair looking so cheeky? 'Tis but a wind, a strong wind, blowing from the A34. As we can see from the beautiful British countryside, there's lots of things to observe, like some trees over there, some heads over there, and some other beautiful scenery.
Hell!
Now, as we explore, we can see many signs that the planet is being killed, mainly by us enemy, the vegans.
Average vegan dinner. Versus average omnivore dinner.
You're probably wondering, what did the vegans have to do with all of this, and why am I recording this video? Now, the reason is simple. The vegans, you know what they're doing to our poor mushrooms? You know what they're doing? Turning them into corn. And the thing is, I'm a bit of a mushroom activist myself, and as I see this beautiful country, I think to myself, all of the mushrooms around here, all of them are being slaughtered. And we can all stand up for this. Now, as you can see later in our vlog, we will go to the cheeky little abandoned farm over there and explore who really is the sussy among us imposter. We are now here on this conveniently placed log. If we can see, this is the log.
It's a decent log.
Well, it's all bad. Oh, I see, cheeky. Now, this is the log. Why is it all blurred? Focus. This is a log, and this is the beautiful village of East Osley. Quite cheeky indeed. Now,
And there's the A34.
and that is my cheeky driller, another Asda lorry.
It's time to bring Asda price back to the people.
I just thought that for the sake of not being told off by a kind old lady, please can you not record? I decided to take my initiative and use my brain. And I
Such big, such a massive vein, this one. Such big.
I am set 2 in maths, don't question it. Now, which is thy creepy house?
You okay?
I nearly broke thy leg on thy tyres. Now this is what I like to call tractor memento. Now, as we continue walking around thy beautiful side, we may notice that beyond a cheeky but arm's fence, we can see a whole world of opportunities.
A whole new world.
And barely any fucking people.
Yeah!
If later we can go on a, later if we do another part 2 vlog, like and subscribe, and there will be another one, then that means that we can actually, you know, do some cheeky exploring over there, where there might be a shop and maybe a horse.
Oh, God.
Now, as we approach the creepy house, and I nearly break my leg because of those tractor tyres, we see that it's all fucking abandoned.
Abandoned! So abandoned.
So abandoned.
Fucking no one here.
Now, I'd like to enter, but there's hazard signs, which means that we can't enter at all. It actually means we can. But, as we can see, thy man damn shall be arrested for trespassing.
And we would not want to run in with the law.
No, there's actually nothing stopping us. Do you want to walk in?
No, I'm good, mate.
Wait, oh, there's a fence actually. I might look at the house though.
Yeah.
Not enter, but just see if I can get a cheeky peek. No, if we walk up to this, not entering, because for the sake of law, I don't want to be arrested. Yep, we can see that it is merely an abandoned stable. I don't know, I lived in Oxfordshire for the past. Now, because he is from Oxford, and I am from Oxfordshire, that means I actually know what this thing is. Why, you can tell us in the comments what it is if you do know. I don't know, because I'm a bit of a Tory boy. My parents wouldn't let me run when I was younger because they told me that the Labour kids would beat me up. Now, as we continue exploring this beautiful English countryside, just like my trip, then we can see that there are still no people. Isn't that a fucking surprise? So we approach the cheeky house, We can see a sign over here. Maybe this can help us on where to go. And we can see a red bull. Clearly a builder has been here. Caution, drone/UVA operating. What the fuck does that mean?
Unmanned vehicle.
Is it gonna blow up?
Possibly. Let's go.
That's funny.
Could be. Training site.
Wait, this? That's actually cool. I know there's some plane landing sites nearby.
Okay, yeah, but not blown up.
Do you hear that? Something like going, yeah.
Speaking in the wind.
Creaking in the wind, my trilogy.
Speaking in the wind, just like the gin.
So, when this house used to be intact, I used to walk in with my half brother, who's now in Moscow, sadly. Bless you. Actually, he's in St. Petersburg. He moved out because he's rich. If we don't enter, because it's a private road, and respect our landlords, you can see. You can see that it's all a hollow shack of what it once was. There is nothing except for this weird thing, which says on it as well, caution, drone site. Let's run away before we get caught. And they think, guys, now secretly I am actually a spy for the Russian government. My mum is best friends with Putin, but we don't talk about that.
Thank you for watching. This video was sponsored by the Federal Government of Russia in collaboration with us. Like and subscribe and nothing is happening in Ukraine.
Надежда России, Путин, великая сила в основании отчизны кирпич, наш Владимир Владимирович.
It's a pleasure to meet you on this beautiful English countryside. Now, as I take control of the camera, we can see that we need to power walk. He is a bit of a speedy boy. Now, as we walk, we need to hurry up because my dad's going to beat me. He's going to get the vodka bottle, speak Russian accent, and say,
It'd definitely be good to do that way.
say, son, say, suka bliat, and beat me. So, we're admiring the beautiful British architecture of these roads. All I want to say is I wish we had the Romans back.
Oh, yeah. Hail Caesar!
They built better.
Hail Caesar!
Because
Dickos.
we are here, nearly at my beautiful village. And this fine gentleman.
Lovely fine gentleman here.
Lovely fine gentleman. You can tell who he votes for. Obviously, it's the Green Party. As we walk and enter my village, we have found out that we are quite late. Let me check the time on my watch. Oh shit, I don't have one.
Watch.
We are quite late.
10 to.
And
5.
will indeed get killed.
No, children and animals. We are one of them.
Are you the child or are you the animal?
Both.
I'm now a capybara. Now, as we see some houses. We see a bit of cheeky fun. A cheeky fun time in the village where you can settle down and enjoy your life.
Надежда России, Путин, великая сила в основании отчизны кирпич, наш Владимир Владимирович.